Hi, my name is Jeff Sohn. I'm the sales representative for Winston for South Korea and Japan market. I've been the Winston sales rep for the past 10 years. And I still remember when I first became a Winston rep, when I went to Louisville, Kentucky. The hospitality and the treatment that they gave me was fantastic. Going down to like Churchill Downs, watching the horse races, and seeing the Louisville Slugger baseball factory. And while I was there, I just saw the warmth and the hospitality of the people at the factory, working at Winston, and explaining about the C-Vap technology. And it made me a believer about C-Vap holding and why it's different from other companies' holding technology. And from then, we've been promoting C-Vap holding cabinets into the Korea and Japan market. And ever since then, it's been very good. And we've been getting great support from Donald and Priscilla in China. And we really thank them for their support. Thank you very much.